Welcome to a brand new episode here at the Delz Show. If you're new here, you love Funko Pop, make sure to subscribe. If you're new, thumbs up that video. And there's a little bell next to where it says subscribed. That is the notification bell. When you hit that bell, it lets YouTube know that it is okay to let you know when I upload a new video, so you don't miss out on content. Usually upload every day though, so if you don't get notified, just come back tomorrow. So this is a new pickup I got. This is an eBay purchase, and I'm excited to check it out. Hopefully it is shipped right and not all beat up. Pretty confident though. Box looks nicey nice. And it is packed pretty nice. And we got the Ultimate Warrior. Been wanting this for a long time. Finally got it. This is how you pack a Funko Pop. If you're looking to ship a Funko Pop, that is how to pack it. Look at that. Rest in peace to the Ultimate Warrior. One of the greatest. So entertaining as a kid. It's such a shame how he passed away. That speech, I think it was on Monday Night Raw. It was either on Raw or SmackDown. I'm pretty sure it was on Raw. That was crazy. Like, what he was saying, it felt like almost like he knew he was passing soon. But I definitely am happy to have this in the collection. Few nicks right there. That sucks. But, I mean, it's not the end of the world. Little boo-boo on the box right there. But as long as the box is, you know, not dented, I'm fine. But I'm just showing you this for people that care about the box. I definitely need to get Ric Flair and Andre the Giant. Sting would be cool. I have Roddy Piper already. I think I have Roddy right here, actually. Yep. I got this a while ago. I think I got this over a year ago. Maybe 2 years ago. On clearance for $3. Great pop. And rest in peace to both of them. Both of them are gone. It's crazy, man. Childhood heroes growing up. You don't ever think they're gonna pass, but they definitely will live forever through their amazing work that they've done with WWE, WWF, whatever you want to call it. There's a look at him out of the box. Awesome. So great. I love the actual boots too, how you have his logo on the boots. I think that's pretty dope right there. And definitely looks like the Ultimate Warrior, which I love. With the bands on the arms. And also, you see on the knee pads, you also have his logo there. I'm noticing that now. And there's a look at his other side. I like how the band is actually like long right there too. It's kind of dope. How it's like hanging long. And there's a close-up on his face. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite Ultimate Warrior moments. And even throw in your favorite Roddy Piper moments. Leave down in the comments. If you're just hanging out, watch more of my videos. And I hope you guys have a great week. We out.